What's up, world? I'm William, but you can call me Will. This is my very first video.
Look, I know this room is a mess, but hey, genius minds do thrive in chaos, right?
So, yeah, this is a pretty important moment, and I'm a handsome gorilla, of course.
I know, it's a lot to take in, but hey, that's just the cold, hard truth. So yeah, the whole point of this channel is pretty simple. It's my personal vlog.
Just me living life, going on wild adventures, and taking you guys with me to some of the most extreme, crazy spots out there.
Think of it like a front row seat to my vacation chaos.
All right, y'all, it's official. I'm going to Everest. Yep. Time to heal. Extreme edition. Essentials only. Camera? Check. Banana armor? Double check.
Packing for a cold death mountain? No problem. Just need snacks and vibes.
All right, so before I hit the road, there's one thing I have to do. I have to say goodbye to my mother. Well, not biological mom, but the woman who raised me since I was the size of a coconut.
She packed my snacks, reminded me to wear socks, and still thinks Everest is a ski resort.
Anyway, can't leave without kissing her hand. It's tradition. Emotional stuff incoming. Don't judge me if I tear up, or sneeze, or both.
But I'll be back. You better believe I'll come back with stories. And probably frostbite.
Let's roll, baby! The mountain won't climb itself.
Riding in the back like a furry giant baby. LAX, here I come, if the suspension survives. Smells like overpriced snacks and flight delays. Classic.
Good morning, sir. Passport, please.
What? It's potassium. Don't judge me.
Shout out to whoever invented economy seats. I hope your plants are all dying.
30 hours of travel, 5 inches of seat space. Was it worth it? Ask me again. Big dreams don't wait for perfect timing. You just go, even if you're tired.
All right, touchdown. I can't feel my legs. My back's in 4 different time zones, and I'm 90% pretzel. Let's keep it moving.
Yo, this food slaps. Way better than airplane peanuts.
Yeah, baby! Welcome to Nepal. Smells like adventure, altitude, and maybe a little curry. Let's get it. First impressions? This place is loud, wild, colorful, and I love it. I stick out like a furry skyscraper.
All right, quick fact is reached to get to Everest from Tribhuvan Airport in Kathmandu. First, you fly to Lukla. No roads, just wings. That's your gateway to base camp.
Tribhuvan to Lukla, just 138 kilometers. But with these mountain winds, it's the longest 40 minutes of your life.
Whew. That altitude's no joke. My lungs feel like they skipped leg day.
We made it to Lukla, 29.032 feet above sea level, and just the beginning. From here, it's all boots, breath, and one step closer to Everest Base Camp. Let's get climbing.
Momos are little doughy happiness bombs. I could eat 50, I probably will.
Okay, note to self, Thurufme. It's way colder up here than I expected. I need to rent a real jacket. Time to book my trip to Everest. If they ask for fitness level, I'm just gonna flex.
This jacket was made for a yak. Close enough.
Prep mode activated. Graceful? Not even a little.
Okay, so Most people hike from Lukla to Everest Base Camp, but me, I'm taking the chopper. It's faster, it's louder, and yeah, it's freaking awesome. I'll be face to face with the Himalayas in minutes. Let's go! Altitude's high, temperature's low, and my toes fully numb. Worth it.
I made it to Everest Base Camp by helicopter. Hikers took a week to get here, Gavai. I took 12 minutes and a seatbelt. All right, the sun's going down fast. Time to pitch my tent before my fingers freeze off. Catch y'all tomorrow, Wed, if I'm not a gorilla popsicle by then. Time for me to swap into this goose feather oven jacket and figure out how to pitch this tent without crying. Wish me luck, or better yet, send a heated blanket.
Thank you. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. I had no idea which end of this tent was the door. You guys are the real MVPs.
And then I told him, that's not a sleeping bag, the socking bag. That's MY jacket.
So I asked the Sherpa, how much farther?
He looks at me dead serious and says, far enough to regret your life choices.
All right, my friends, that's it for today's video. It's getting super late and I'm seriously starting to nod off. We'll pick this up again tomorrow.
The next episode will be here soon. Thank you so much for watching my first video all the way to the end.
If you had fun, hit that like button. May your life be full of snacks and naps. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next from William, the one and only handsome gorilla. And please, woo, whatever you do, don't forget to subscribe.